So these are the floating shelves from Harbour Housewares. These are all on Amazon. I'm going to show you how I put them up. What do you reckon? These were a great find on Amazon. Floating shelves, really good quality with a sturdy metal bracket. And the price is blooming good as well. Can't grumble. Just whip them out of the packet. Got to give them obviously a good checking over, make sure they've got no damage on them before we start. But yeah, look pretty good. So we've got the Harbour Housewares floating shelf. There it is in all its glory. This is the 1200mm long one. So yeah, let's whip it out of the packet. See what we've got. What you get on the back is this nice metal bracket there that sits inside it, which gives it the extra strength. Previously we've had these IKEA shelves here, and these have got these dodgy kind of fixings on the back. This is the IKEA lac, and they're just not very strong, whereas this one now is far better. We fitted a couple of these elsewhere in the house, and they really take well. So we've got that metal bracket there, and that just slides out, and we screw that to the wall first, and boom. Okay. So pretty much we get the bracket, align it to the wall, get it nice and level wherever you want the shelf to go, and screw it on. Let's go for it, see how we get on. And we'll chuck that on top of that, on top of those two pegs there. I'll get the bubble in the middle. With the pencil we can mark through these holes. Now you've got 4 holes in either side, but we're only going to use 2 of them. We've got some screws that come with the shelf, which are, got a little pack of screws, these little fellas here. So we'll whip them out of the bag, let's have a look. Screws to hold it on, and we've also got some wall plugs to bang into the brick. We've got the hammer drill, so we set that to hammer on the top, flick that across to that, which is going to give us the rasper. And we've got, I put a bit of tape around the drill bit there at the same depth as what we need for the wall plug, so we're not going to go in too deep. It's a 6mm drill bit. When I'm drilling into brickwork, I always like to hold the hoover below it just to suck up any brick dust, saves getting it all over the skirting boards or the carpet, makes a bit of a mess. So yeah, just saves any of that, helps tidying up. Tap them wall plugs in, and then we can line the bracket up. Got the impact driver there just to bang the screws in. You can just use a normal screwdriver, but I do love these impact drivers. Make life so much easier. Just bang them in there, straight into the brick. Beautiful, beautiful. So that one's tight. These two are in nice and tight. Let's get the shelf slid on. Obviously, if you're going into plasterboard, you'll get some different plasterboard fixings. I'll show you one of those in a minute. Right, so here we go then. This is one of the plasterboard fixings because we're putting a shelf up that's got a bit more weight to it. So this is the kidder. It's got like a teeth on the end to cut into the plasterboard, and we just literally put that straight in the drill, in the driver. We've marked out where we need to put it in the wall there. We get that smack bang in the middle, and then literally just go for it, and it just drives it like that right in. And now we've got a real good substantial fix in there to put a screw in. So on the back of the shelf we've got the 2 holes, one there and one there, and then we just line those up and slide it on wherever it is. You see, if you line it with the dots in the bottom. This way. This way. This way. Ah, this one's in. There you go. Slide it up. Beautiful. And then we'll pop the 2 little screws in the bottom. So with those on there, that's just slipped on really nice. And then we've just got 2 screws in the bottom. These are the shorter screws. Just pop them in nice and gently. These haven't got to be wound up very tight. 1, 2, and there it is on the wall. So for the money, these are an absolute bargain off Amazon. They are dirt cheap. 30 quid for 3, which you can't go wrong. The longer ones at the moment, what are these ones selling now?
These were $19.99 for this long one on its own.
So there's this 1200 one on its Todd is $19.99, but the 380s were £30.
Yeah.
So these are the 80 shelves, slightly shorter, obviously, compared to the 1200 shelf there. But nice, haven't they? Nice. Exactly the same fixings on the back, same slider. Let's whack some of these up. So we'll get that on there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, lovely. Again, with the holes pointing downwards. One in there, 1 in there, another 1 in there, 1. And that is nice and solid. Again, we'll slip that on. It's only having light stuff on it, so we're not too fussy. And put some screws in the bottom. These are 2 short ones. Another nice shelf on the wall. So as you can see on these ones up here, we've got like all these Funko Pops, and they go really well on the shelf. It's ideal for showing all your little things and bits and pieces off. This one here, we've got some bigger stuff on there, bit of Lego, some heavier things, little projector, but you can see that, yeah, they're not bad at all. They're pretty good folding all your knicks, snacks and bits and bobs. Really pleased with the results though. So this is in the other room with a load more of these shelves up, and as you can see, these ones have got quite a bit more on them, but they really take the weight well. This is a plasterboard wall, so all of those brackets are held in with those little fixings that I showed you in the video, and yeah, they've gone up really well. What do you reckon? Like I say, all of these are available on Amazon, and they're doing them in the bundles, which are about £36 for 3. You can buy them in packs of 6 and all sorts if you want a load more. If that's been of any use, just drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.